Okay, so hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kaila and I'm Kawaii Lifestyle Blogger and content creator based here in Japan. And as of now, it's like 11:10 and I just got back from a really busy day because during the morning until the afternoon, I was preparing and we had stationery and journaling meetup, and it was so much fun. And I thought that for today's video I should share with you what's inside my two bags, because you know, why not two. And this is what I brought with me. So this is my new Fuji-san or Mount Fuji bag, and the brand is Root Tote. So this is my other bag. So yeah, very inspiring, right? Going back to the topic, I just want to share what I brought with me. So if you plan to host or make your own stationery or journaling meetups, you would know how to be prepared and how to make it like a very enjoyable event. So today I brought quite a lot. So I brought books because I thought that maybe like, you know, during the event people start coming in and they don't know what to do. So I have books for them to flip through and just get inspiration from. So today I brought this one, Whimsical Girls by Jane Davenport. And yeah, I'm gonna start this happy hour art journal soon. I'm excited. So I shared this with others. I introduced it to my friends today. Yeah. And then Always Be Creating, A Field Guide to Living a Creative Life, book by Abby, who is my dear friend. Yeah. So you can yeah, so that's my postcard. Yeah. And then this one, I really love it. It's like a tutorial book how to draw. This one. So I selected a few washi tapes that I could share with others, and this is my washi tape holder. So I bought this from Toki Hands. If you like it, I can make it available at my shop. So yeah, I just designed it last night. It's really cute. Okay. And when you open, yeah, you can also display it. Oops, I'm sorry. You can also display it on your table. It has a stopper, and I just designed it. So yeah. I like having organizers. So this one, and then I think most of my stuff right now are not fixed because, you know, we had to hurry. Last 10 minutes we began packing up. So this is actually one of my favorite packaging that I just could not throw away. So when I went to Tochigi, I bought this one. It was filled with cookies before, and then the cookies went inside my tummy, of course. Okay, what's inside? I forgot. Oh, so I brought a few tapes to share. Not tapes, but stamps. So I don't wanna, you know, flip like that because it might fall. So this is my stamp cleaner. It's very cute. It's from Daiso, I think. Yeah, so it's Gudetama design. So if they use my stamp, they can clean it afterwards. So this one is from Hobonichi. Okay, do the beauty guru effect. It's not working. Give up already. And then these are my favorite stamp pads. Very cute, from Kodomo no Kao. So a tip, when you bring your materials, always make sure that you have a label, you know, so it's very easy to identify that this is your material, because you don't want other people to, you know, to accidentally put your own materials inside their bags. First, the Delta pen case, this one. This is Banana, okay? I really like this pencil case. It's so bangly or convenient in Japanese. So it can also stand. So as you can see, I put like a washi identifier from Play Color. So we have the washi tapes, the pens, and then just random stuff. So more stamps, so acrylic stamps inside. And then I don't know why I brought a pencil with me, maybe just in case. From Sakura Lala brand. Yeah, I need to clean my acrylic stamps. And these are the mini stamps that I really love. I forgot what you call it, but I really love it so much. It's so tiny. Oh no, it opened. Oh wait. Did I put? Oh no! I stamped myself. Tissue. Yeah, so it's cute, right? Stamps. Now I'm making a mess on my bed. Oh gosh, I'm so lazy to fix. Ooh, so we have a sticker book. I bought this from the Philippines. This is my envelopes from them. I really like the Gudetama. So I got this from Enza. Okay, from Enza. She really blew us away earlier with all her ideas, and it's so fun to have meetups like this because you get inspired by other people's tricks and life hacks. That's good. Well, let's open a bit. Oh my gosh. I need to do a separate journal with me just to show everything. So what I really love this is she made us, like each of us, a hand-stitched mini sticker notebook. Like, wow. Genius, right? Like, who does that? Only Enza. Okay. From Alyssa. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to use. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. You guys should totally become a patron of Kate. She's such an amazing artist, and I'm so proud to be called her friend. Super talented. Oh my god. Look, she made this. Like, what? I really love everything. And then this is her own washi tape set after 10 years. Yeah. More sticker sheets. So cute. Julie, ex-Japan. Okay, so we hurried a lot and I mixed up everything. I'm sorry. So thank you, Julie, for helping me today, setting up and everything. I can't wait to make more events and, you know, collaborate together. So yeah, I think I mixed up some of their gifts. So I really like this one, Magical Girl. Okay, so for the first part of our event, I wasn't able to take a lot of videos because, you know, I want to enjoy it too. And so first, of course, we had to introduce each other, even though we already kind of know each other. And then after that, Enza had a really good idea of, you know, why not we share what we prepared for each other. And yeah, so we had a great time explaining why we decided to give these away. And then, so we are finished with this bag. Oh my gosh, it's like, it's 20 minutes of me talking. Oh my god, don't worry, I will edit. Of course, we have my pink Delphonics utility pouch. Okay. I have this very cute Mako washi tape holder, and this one is the cutter, washi tape cutter. Oh my gosh, it flew. Okay, later. So I really like my pins right now. Cute. What's inside? What did I bring? Oh, so I have the washi tape samplers from Sarah. And then these are the pens that I brought with me. When everybody is like showing their makeup brushes, I'm like, okay, my pens. Mild liner, play color, Sarasa, and of course this one, Zebra Sarasa Select. Peko-chan. Pocket scissors. So cute. And then my friction stamps, my camera pouch bag. It's from Daiso, Little Twin Stars. Maybe this is like 5 years old. Yeah, battery. So this is what I gave. Then what else do I have? These are just random things. So our design earlier, like, brought some plastic Momiji leaves. So these are the sticker sheets that I brought with me. Not everything was used. Yeah. Brought some garden picks for them. I really love pouches, so I have 3 pouches. Can you guess? Can you guess? Earphone pouch. Very cute. From Gachapon. Also from Toy Capsule Machine. So, my camera tripod. Charger. It's like Traveler's Factory, but what's inside is not Traveler's Factory. Journal today. So, this one is actually a bento strap. Lunchbox strap. Yeah. Okay. So this is my spread earlier. Oh, I really love my bag. And so my bed right now is a complete mess. And it's 12. It's time to sleep. Not really. And thank you so much for watching this very long video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. And I want to dedicate this video to my very supportive patrons. Okay, so bye everybody. Matane. Bye.